spending Texas. They'll be showing affection.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, do yourself a favor, subscribe, hit that bell notification, come join the team because we getting baddies over here. All right, before I start today's video, I just want to say thank you to everybody that purchased the Traction Made Easy Masterclass so far. The first week, we killed it, and y'all are getting a lot of knowledge for the summertime, and not just for the summertime, just life in general, you know, moving forward. If you have not copped it, do yourself a favor, change your dating life forever. Download it right now, stepbystepattraction.com. But let's get into the video and the reason you're here today. Stop chasing and start replacing. There's a whole lot of baddies out here. All you gotta do is go out there and look for them. You know what I'm saying? But we get hung up on the one that got away and the one that we have so many feelings and memories with. And come on, bruh. Snap out of it. The only time you should chase is when you're banking. The only thing you should chase is Casamigos. Because y'all be taking shots like thoughts and can't handle your liquor. I was gonna sleep with you until you threw up all over my friend. Chasing someone comes from a place of neediness. If a vampire is chasing after you, it's only because they want one thing, your blood. I ain't trying to lose no blood, I know that much. And when you're chasing women, they looking at you like a bloodthirsty vampire. And I for damn sure know they ain't trying to lose no blood. They already losing about 4 to 5 days worth once a month. And then here you come, just trying to get more out of her. She ain't got no blood left, bruh. You just chasing a dead woman at this point. Women know when they want something. Just like you know when you want something, when you want a baddie, you see her, you're like, I'm gonna go for it. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you go for it, cool. You know what I mean? There's nothing wrong with pursuing. You can pursue a woman all you want. Show interest, show that you find her attractive, and you like to get to know more about her. But when you start knowing all that extra stuff, all that weird, needy behavior, all that I can't live without you, all that attachment. What are you doing? Where are you doing it? How are you doing it? And who you doing it with? Is when she's gonna be like, I'm good, man. I'm actually doing everything without you because I don't want nothing to do with you because you're creeping me out. Pushing her away, all right? And I know you're thinking, nah, bro, I'm just showing her, you know, I really like her. Giving off Joe from You vibes, you know? And that's the last thing you want to do because women don't like that. You turn into a stalker. They gonna claim they like it because it sounds good outside looking in and you're like, oh yeah, that would be great. It would be great if like some dude was just so obsessed with me and just follow me everywhere and wanted nobody but me until that happens. Because it's like, you really ain't got no other options? You're really that desperate? You really that down bad? So you just sucking all her energy, just trying to take it. The blood was a joke, but the energy is real, you know what I'm saying? So she's trying to like conserve her energy for everything that she's got going on in her life, like her job, her family, you know, might have issues and stuff going on, or just her family in general, even they ain't got issues, just being around them, her friends, her business that she's trying to start on the weekends, and she ain't got time to do that because you are all in her business. You in your feelings too much. You take offense to whenever she doesn't respond on time. You're just constantly chasing, hounding her down, not giving her any chance to miss you. If you give women space, if you can go a week without talking to her, she's gonna notice it. She's gonna start to notice it. She might be busy, she might be doing a lot of things, but on her downtime, she's gonna realize, oh boy hasn't hit me up yet. And then she's gonna start missing you, and then she's gonna start reaching out a little bit. Hey, what's up? A little text here and there. Meanwhile, you doing your thing. If she's not giving you the attention that you want, hit up another baddie on your roster. That's why you always gotta have that roster up and running. Dust it off. You know what I'm saying? Shine it up. Start taking some out on dates and get into the process of replacing. So that when she comes back, your energy and your vibe is completely different. You're no longer instantly texting her back, instantly answering her calls. You're being pursued by other women. You're showing interest to them, and then they're realizing, okay, cool, this dude is cool, he's not doing too much, because you probably in the beginning of trying to pursue them, you're still stuck on your old girl, and you're kind of in the middle stages of getting rid of that. So now, they're over here giving you more of a chance, being more receptive to your pursuit. But yeah, just chill out. That's the main thing. You have to get rid of the mindset that you can only be with her or you only can attract a limited amount of women. I don't know. Scarcity. That's what it is. scarcity mindset, lack mindset. You have to have abundant mindset. That's why you have to constantly be trying to, stack the cheeks up. Because if some cheeks ain't acting right, these cheeks are. And you could just be like, hey, how you know it? You know, all right? Okay, well, let's have some fun tonight. You know what I'm saying? And y'all go crazy. Have a grand old time. Marvelous. Your mind. Look, I'm going to be real with you. I know this works because I've been in that place of, I really want her, and all my energy and attention is focused on her, and if this can work out, like, oh, let's just hang out more, and she wasn't feeling it. The second, I'm telling you, the second I moved my attention to somebody else, she didn't know it. Like, she didn't know that was the situation. The second I moved my attention, boom, what happens? Hey, what are you doing? What's up? Are you busy? What's going on? Want to hang out? Really? All of a sudden, switched up like that. I wasn't worried about her. And letting go, having that energetic shift of letting go of wanting to make that work and trying to force it, opened up space for her to come to me. It works, bruh. I'm trying to tell you right now. So if you're in the middle of chasing, take that energy into replacing. That doesn't mean chase somebody else. It just means, pursue different ones. Because you're not going to get back into the habit of chasing if you're pursuing multiple people. Because if one isn't responding or being receptive, you just move on to the next one. It's a numbers game at the end of the day. You feel me? Anyways, yeah, man. Stop chasing, start replacing, and let me know how it goes. Leave a comment down below and get out there. Get out there and just do it. Like Nike, just do it. Stop thinking about it and just do it and watch what happens. It's a miracle. That is it for the video for today. If you guys liked it, please do me a favor. Hit that thumbs up button down below. Also down below, download Attraction Made Easy Masterclass. And until next time, focus on you, and the women will too.
I know some biddies in Cali, they all be calling me daddy. I know some hoes out in Texas, they all be showing affection. I know some hoes out in Georgia, got the whip on the forward. Know some bitches up in AZ, and they all be fucking with me. Yeah, I'm the man, you just a lame and your girl's my fan. She comes to me when she wants her some dance.